Are you looking to remove duplicate emails from MBOX files? In this video, we will show you a step-by-step process to remove duplicate emails from MBOX files using the MacUncle MBOX Duplicate Remover tool. After installing MacUncle MBOX Duplicate Remover tool, simply launch it. This is the main interface of the MacUncle MBOX Duplicate Remover tool. The software provides two options for adding MBOX files. You can either use the Add Files option to select individual files, or the Add Folder option to import an entire folder at once. Browse to the folder containing your MBOX files. Select it, and then click the Open button to continue. If you have added any incorrect file or folder, you can remove it by clicking the Removes or Remove All option. Now, click Next button. Choose the desired files from the list using the checkbox. Click Next. Next, in the Select Duplicate Settings section, select the criteria based on which you want to identify duplicate emails. Then, choose either Search Duplicates within folders to find duplicates in the same folder, or Search Duplicates across folders to detect duplicates across multiple folders. Next, select the destination folder where you would like to save the output files. To remove duplicate emails from a specific date range, enable the Date Range option and select the desired start date and end date. At last, click Export button. Software will start the export process. Once the conversion process is complete, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK to proceed. The software will automatically display the log report, allowing you to review the duplicate removal status. You can then open the destination folder to access your MBOX files with duplicates removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching.